Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're gonna jump into Matplotlib. So, all right, we're gonna get graphing. So, all right, we're gonna dabble in this the submodule of pyplot, and we're gonna plot a histogram. So, all right, quick rundown of histogram. It groups things. You'll see that in a second. So, all right. We're going to utilize our focused import. So we're going to do from matplotlib import pyplot. Wow. And then as plt. So all right. So what we're going to do is then we're also going to randomly generate some numbers. So from random import randint. So all right, what we're going to do is I'm going to show you what histograms do, and we're slowly going to expand upon it. So all right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list, randint 1 through 10. What I'm doing here is we're going to group these, and you'll see how it is. For in range, we're going to get 20 sets of numbers. And then I'm going to plot this list. So, all right. Before I get into this, let's do a little bit of, it's having to pull down a lot because I'm importing two libraries. All right, so all right, let's look at what pyplot does. So all right, there's a lot of stuff here. I should do just the dir on it. So all right, we are gonna do hi. Okay, histogram, it is shortened to hist. So, all right, help dot. Oh, if you're new here, if you're seeing something that I'm not specifically and explicitly talking about, I've already done a video on it, so pause here, do a search on the channel, and then come back and catch up. But yeah, did an alias here, did a focused import, and then generating a random list with list comprehension. So that's a quick rundown. So all right, hist. Okay, so all right, still a lot of stuff. This library does a ton for you. So all right, let's scroll all the way because this is a lot of stuff you can do with it. My goodness. I guess I haven't looked at this in a while. I've forgotten. Wonder if I passed it. But all right, what a histogram is it takes here. Let's see. Dir on plot. I haven't run this in a while. So okay, that's the breakdown of the last call. But all right, it's gonna take. They're called bins. That's how they group them. They're defaulted. So we're just going to jump into it. I can't find it. But there is a lot of documentation with this library, and there are so many things in here. So we're just going to jump into it. We're going to let all the defaults sit, and then we're slowly going to add to it. So, all right. You have to then create the histogram, and you do this just like this. And we're just going to put in X. Now, we've created it. I want to show you this. Nothing happens. That's weird, right? All right, there's another weird thing here that you have to do with this. So, all right. You have to, whatever graph you want, we're going to do histogram, and show. So super important. All right, it's that simple. We're going to do this one little thing at a time. So if you're new here, we do micro videos. Yeah, all right, we're going to stop here. And everything is searchable. So I don't bury these in half-hour, hour videos. You can come back and search and remember how to do it and because if you're like me, reading it just doesn't work. You got to see it, do it, try it, fail, do it again, go from there, start over. So all right, now let's run this. Boom. Let's move this over here. So check out how cool this is. So, all right, let's call should have called X. So all right, here's our histogram. So this is all, these are called bins, and the breakdown of how they are, and they group them automatically. So all right, let's close this, and then let's look at X. So there is our list, and that created our, let's pull this back up, elt.show. All right. Okay, so now this is going to be a new randomly generated list, but this is it, and these are all the default. Now I think next video, the next time, we're going to mess with these tick marks. That's what I think we're going to do, so we can make sure we have these laid out the way we want to, because right now we're sitting here going, all right, what are these? Is this in the middle? Is this so and so? But this is histogram. This is the pyplot module inside the Matplotlib library. So thanks for watching. If this is the type of video you like, let's give it a thumbs up. And if these are the type of videos that you want to see, we have videos coming out every single day. So make sure you're subscribing and click on that notification bell, because I don't want you getting behind or feeling overwhelmed. So thanks again, and please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite, any video requests below, and I'll get right to them. See you next time. Bye, guys.